1. 1974 Volkswagen VW 412. It's been in storage for a couple of years. Serious buyer only. Interiors complete, come with extra parts. Direct number, hidden information. Clean MD. Title: Rust, Rust, Rust was a beach car. 2. 1992. Volkswagen Cabriolet Convertible 2D does not run, needs to be towed. Bought in 2020, used as a daily driver and a couple long road trips, NJSC for about 2 years before the brakes went out, due to a hydraulic issue. Brake pads and calipers replaced in 2021. No AC or heat. Needs a new battery. Soft top is new, but not airtight during a rainstorm. New Bluetooth radio, but needs new speakers. 3. 1992 Volkswagen Cabriolet Convertible 2D. If you see this, yes, it's still available. Backstory: I've owned this car since 2011, used it mostly in the summer. Sold my summer home. Car is now in NYC with difficult parking conditions. Car is mechanically sound. Replaced 9 months ago. 1. Transmission. 2. Both rear axles. 3. Battery. 4. Tires. 4. 1961 Pontiac Tempest. I have a 1961 Pontiac Tempest 2-door for sale. It is the 4-cylinder half of 389 runs and drives fine automatic independent rear suspension. The main thing that it needs is front seat upholstery. I have a roll of material to match the rear seats. Brand new tires, door panels, carpet, radiator, heater core, electric fuel pump. Comes with some extra parts also. Looking to get $7,000 or possible trades, or partial trades. First Gen 4Runner, Toyota pickup, Tahoe, GM station wagons, etc. No bikes or boats. Located in Napanoch, New York. It is available. 5. 1987 Bentley nice car. Drives well too. New tires alignment service up to date. I will not respond to, is this available? If it's up, it's for sale.